about to embark on an extraordinary exploration into the transformative power of virtual reality within the domain of architectural design. So without further ado, let's give a warm welcome to our distinguished speaker, Dr. Georges Kachaamy, the Director of the Center for Research, Innovation and Design at the School of Architecture, Art, and Design at the American University in Dubai. Get ready to be inspired, challenged, and amazed as we explore the limitless possibilities of architecture in virtual reality.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and visionaries of the built environment. Under the auspicious banner of Amplify the Opportunity of the Future, a provocative motto echoes through our halls: adopt or die. This is not just a call to action. Here, we are not mere attendees, but architects of destiny, designers of the dawn that beckons with limitless opportunities. In this age where emerging technologies transforms industries at a breakneck pace, I often muse, until an AI can navigate the emotional labyrinth of a client distress over the wrong shade of granite, our unique human insights as architects and designers remain irreplaceable.
Stated by the Executive Chairman of the World Economic Forum, economic and political power will be determined less by a country's size than by its technological superiority. I'm of course from a generation of cassette and floppy disks, so these topics were part of fantasy movies. What is fascinating is that many examples are present around the world at the moment. A real object with other people seeing the object and seeing the room at the same time. This is part of immersive augmented reality rather than immersive virtual reality.
Ako po ay masaya na nandito sa magandang bansang Pilipinas.